This tutorial is to explain really quick how to set up an SMS and email template. So if you find yourself typing some of the same replies over and over again to the same inquiries, then you don't have to keep typing the same message on email or the same message on text. For example, if I go to conversations in this particular account, and this one is an account for the Incredible Hypnotist, you'll see there's a conversation going backwards and forwards with a particular person here. And one of the things he's always asking, this person is asking for, is what kind of options are available for hypnosis and services. I don't think I have the money, but what options do I have? Is there anything else that can be done? And that text message came into the office. And also, there's a question here, and they haven't been replied to yet. Is there an MP3 available that would be suitable for my issue? And I get the same questions that can elicit the same answers. So rather than keep typing it here in the SMS field, there is a way to do this. And you go to Marketing, which is the tab on the left. You go down to SMS and email templates. You go ahead and add a new template. So you go ahead and create one. In this particular case, I want to create an SMS template. So this template, I'm going to give it a name, which is hypnosis. Well, I'm going to just say clinical, because that's what they're asking. Clinical hypnosis options. So rather than keep typing the options, I'm just going to give the options. So it's, hey, I'm going to enter in their first name, since I've already been corresponding with them. I thought at this point I would give you all the hypnosis solutions available to your current issue. I don't want to say problem, but they do have a problem that I can fix. So, hey, first name, I thought at this point I would give you all the hypnosis solutions available to you to your current issue. Okay? If you simply click on this link, so now I'm just going to insert a link, and I've already created a trigger link, and this is a link to a specific URL, web page, form, whatever it wants to be, but typically a URL, so that I've already made it. So all I have to do is input the trigger link. The good thing about setting up trigger links, I'll show you how to do that in just a moment, is that you can track information on when they clicked the link and how it was viewed in your CRM. So if you simply click on this link, and I have one for Incredible Hypnotist appointments. Now that appointment covers MP3 downloads, online meetings, in person, and custom recordings. It will give you many options. If you simply want a download audio, just go here. And I don't know if I have a trigger link for my store, which I don't. So what I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to go to Bitly, and in Bitly I have a short code that just goes directly to my store, and if I don't, I'll just create one. But basically I'm just creating a link, but I want the link to be short. So I'm just going to sign in real quick, and I'm going to see if I have a store link. You know what, I don't have a link to a store, which they're going to need to download my stuff, so I'm going to create one. I am going to get the URL to my store, which is shophypnosis.com. I'm going to get that link, copy it, go to bit.ly, paste it, create Hypnosis Store. Now I can save it, and it's given me a short link. So all I need to do now is go back and paste that link here. And of course, if I'd already set this up, I could make it a trigger link as well. If you simply want a download audio, just go here. Best wishes, and this is from my assistant, Natalie. Okay, so quite often they're looking for hypnosis services or therapy services or coaching services, and I find myself giving them the same links and the same information, and basically what they want is their options. So they want to know what different options are available to them to hire me for their hypnosis services. And I have in-person, I have virtual, I have custom recordings, which is at the trigger link. And then I also have a store where they can download an audio file, which I have just copied and pasted that in, right? So I'm going to save it. I could test it, but I know that's going to be fine. That is a trigger link. Now I'm going to create, that is a template, sorry, that is an SMS template. But I am going to create a trigger link, which is here. You see trigger link. And I am going to, since I don't have it in here, add a link. And it's going to be IH store, which is my store. So anytime I ever need this again, I'm going to put the full URL in to my store. So that again, I never have to use bit.ly again or type it in again. And I quickly create the link, and now I have a link to my store, which I can use as a trigger link. So now when I go to messages and I want to reply to this conversation, obviously this person is asking for solutions. We don't have his name or anything like that yet. So I am going to simply send a message. And now I can send a message using a template down here. Look, use template. And I'm going to send the template here. Clinical hypnosis options. So now I don't have to type all that stuff in again. I can use the template and it's going to immediately send this. Now, because I don't have his name, it's just going to say, hey, I thought at this point it isn't going to give the full information. And I just click send. So instead of typing that all out, I have just sent this to him. Hey, I thought at this point I would give you all these hypnosis solutions available to your current issues. If you simply click on this link, so when they click on that link, of course, it takes them to their full options with the appointment. As I just mentioned, the complete services page, hypnosis online. So when they click that link, it takes them there. And when they click the other little link, it takes them to the store. Saves you having to type it all out over and over again. And he's going to really enjoy that information. And that is how you do a trigger link and create an SMS and email template.